Hello, I'm Michelle and I'm from Groundwork and I'm here today with my family and we are going to be making twig boats and we're going to try floating them in the water once we've made them. For today's activity you will need some twigs, some leaves, some string or an elastic band and a pair of scissors. Now scissors are sharp, so just be careful and keep an eye on any young children when they're using them, and of course no running with scissors. When we go and float our boats on the water, we recommend that you do this in either a pond or a slow flowing stream, no fast flowing or deep water, and not in a canal. Or if you don't have a pond or a stream near you, you can always do it in your bathtub or a washing up bowl. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go and collect. We need some twigs and some leaves. So should we get off and do that, boys? Okay, let's go collecting. Now there's some water around, so we just need to be really careful, not go running near the edge. And also remember, don't pick up any litter, where we can find everything we need on the floor. We don't need to go breaking or damaging any trees or wildlife. Let's get going. Well done. What have you found? Oh, a feather. That'll be amazing on our boat. Well done.
Ooh, look, bark.
Oh, we can definitely use that on our boat. Look at this lovely big leaf as well. Should we take that?
It's like this some golden and brown.
It is. Oh, don't drop it. Let's keep looking. Oh, another big stick. Excellent.
Two more. Look, see, if we can find out where these came from, we can get lots of fresh ones.
What's that?
No problem.
Oh, a little catkin. We could use that to decorate the boats. So we've got the base of our raft here. We're going to wrap some string around it. How many twigs have we used for our raft? 3. Very good. It's tight. Very good. Now we need a mast. What we're going to use as a mast for our boat? Oh, that's a big one.
No, this stick.
That one, right.
No, this stick.
You sure? So I think
There's
what we can do
windows.
is we can find somewhere to squeeze it in.
And then tie it with these.
That one looks fantastic. Right, so we can stick it through the gap that we've made. And if it's really tight, we might not even need to tie it on. Look at that. And then next we can use some of the leaves we've got to decorate it.
Why don't we put one leaf up there and then another leaf up there?
So we can either push them into the gaps in the string, or another thing we could do is get some more string or some elastic bands and we could tie them on.
I want a stringer and an elastic band on.
And tie it on there. Shall we do that then? Here's a bit of string. Let me cut you off a bit of string. Can you hold the boat while I cut you some string, please? Right. So we tied it there. So if I go round the leaf and the mast, make a big loop around both of them and tie it together. Pull it really tight. And then what do we need to really super secure?
Do another knot.
Do a second one, you're right. Loop it over. There we
And
go.
now let's cut off the ends.
Yeah, do you want to cut off the ends?
No, I don't need them cut off because I'm going to need another leaf below it.
Ooh.
And that one is going to be using those strings as to tie it.
Okie doke.
Look.
There we go.
One is going to go down there. Tie it on, please.
Are you going to tie it on? Go through the hole.
And now, I
Put it
don't
tight.
need...
Do you like your boat?
I want to cut off the ends
Okay.
because I'm not doing enough.
Very good. On this side.
This is my boat. It's made out of twigs, elastic bands, leaves, flowers and feathers. I really hope it floats.
I hope you enjoyed today's activity. We're going to go and see if our boats float. Do remember, keep a really close eye on children near water and make sure that they don't slip in. It can be very dangerous. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.